Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how you can draw this piece in Autodesk Inventor 2022. If you don't know how to open the workspace, I will show you right now. So we'll go here, a new, press new and select standard in millimeters. Double click on it. Now let's select a plan. So let's go here to the sketch, press on it, select for example this plan, and now let's have a look. So we will start now to draw these two rectangles. So this one, the first one with the dimensions 150 and 10, and the other one with the dimensions 45 minus 10, 35 and 10. Let's go here to the rectangle, select 2-point rectangle. Starting from this point, let's say, it doesn't matter too much. Right 10, tab 150, enter. The command, as you see, it's still active, so we will start again through here. So if you remember, 35, tab 10 units and press enter. Escape. Now let's have a look again. Here we need to add two radiuses, so two radiuses of 3 units. For this we'll go to the fillet, we'll write here 3, we'll press this equal sign, and we'll do it in the same time. Finish sketch, and now we will extrude it with 82 units. Extrude. Yes, it is good. We'll go symmetric and we'll go here with 82 units and press enter. For the next step, we will construct this geometry here. So keep it in mind, this shape. But in order to do that, we need a new plan. So for this one, we'll go here at plan, offset from plan. So we'll select, for example, this one, and we'll go exactly in the middle. If this entire dimension it is 82 units, we will write minus 41 to have a plan exactly in the midsection. And now let's create a new sketch, but click at this plan, and you have here this button, create sketch. Press on it. Now let's go to the line command, start from here. And now be very careful. Hold press the left click to have one arch here. Okay, and let's go back until, let's say, here. And come back, press escape, and now let's modify something. So first of all, here go with the Colliniear Constraint. Let's add now some dimensions. So dimension here 40 units. Here in this point we need to have 25. Let's have a look. So here 25, here 40, and the exterior circle must have a radius of 21 degrees. Let's add now a short radius. So here we have a radius of 2 units, and then we'll construct these two circles. So a circle of 16 in diameter, and the other one, let's assume it has a diameter of 8. So let's go to the fillet, to equal circle from this point 16, enter, and somewhere here another one of 8. Now let's have a look. So here we need 7.5, and in the other side 15. So go to the dimension again, 7.5, it is good. Okay, and here we need 15. Finish the sketch, and we need to add here now a thickness of 40 units, and inside of it we need a hole of 20, so keep it in mind. Extrude, select this part, yeah, but now we'll go here to symmetric 40 and press OK. In order to make here a hole, let's go here to the extrusion 2, sketch 2, and make it visible first of all. Let's go now to the extrude, select here symmetric, right 20, and the operation will be cut. And now let's select this. Good, let's have a look. Okay, press OK. Go here, make it invisible, the same with the plan. And here it is, check this out. Press the home icon, and for the next step we need to make here 4 little holes. In order to do that, we will construct the first one. So a circle with a diameter of 11 units, and it is here on a distance of 30 units, and on the other side here we have 21 divided by 2. I'll show you right away. So click at this plan, create sketch at this green button, flip the drawing, circle 11 units, enter, dimension here we'll have, pay attention, 21 divided by 2. You can write the exactly operation and it will be automatically calculated. So press enter. Here it is, 10.5. And compared to the other side, 13 units. Now let's go to the rectangular, the geometry. Now I select the geometry, the direction. Let's flip a little bit the drawing. This one, it will be the first direction. You can see this green arrow, so it is the good direction. 2 on a distance of, let's have a look, 60. So write 60, and here you can make a short idea how it will look like compared to the other side. So direction 2, let's select the direction 2, select a random line, it doesn't matter too much. Okay, the arrow, it is good, because otherwise you can see if the arrows wasn't good, you can click here, flip, and it is in the opposite direction. But for us it is good in this way. Also 2, and here we will write 82, the entire distance, minus 2 times 10.5, so that means minus 21, and press OK. And here they are. Press the home icon again, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this plans. You can let it here at flipped, and automatically it will be cutted, because you see the operation, it is automatically loaded. So we will let it like this. And also because here we have 10 units, here it was from the previous command 20, so it is also good enough. You can also select here through all, because it is the same thing actually, and press OK. And now for the final step, home icon again, we must add here a radius of 15 units. Let's go here, fillet, select this radiuses, and write 15 and press enter. OK. And to add a little bit of color, let's go here at default, and instead of default, let's write pink. Okay, and here it is. Our drawing now is complete. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions, don't hesitate to let them in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.